Solution sales team, and welcome to Cloud Factory. Cloud Factory is a tenured team of consultants specializing in cloud-based solutions that focus on sales, finance, supply chain, and marketing, to name a few, and have customers located all across Australia. At Cloud Factory, we consult across all aspects: the selection process, the implementation process, and any support required post-go live. Regarding the selection process, we would love to engage with you about a number of our solutions, whether it be SAP Business One, Microsoft Dynamics 365, or Acumatica, which is known as MYOB Advanced in Australia. We also offer the same level of assistance across multiple areas inside the Microsoft stack. For example, data warehouse tools to provide you better insight to your business, PowerApps, and Power BI for reporting capabilities. Clients who are going through a digital transformation will come to us for a number of reasons. Typically, we will understand their business requirements through discovery sessions. Based on similar project experience, we can then propose the best solution fit and support you with the implementation and support process. We understand that every business is unique and not every solution fits, but you can trust us to be transparent and consultative in our approach. Our team at Cloud Factory are always here to help. If you'd like to book a free assessment of your business, please visit us at cloudfactory.co and we'd be delighted to assist.